Hi there and welcome back to another Revit tutorial. On this tutorial I'll be discussing how to model a sweep in Autodesk Revit. So this is in the modeling in place category, which I've already opened up and selected what category I'm going to be modeling in, which is walls. So I'm going to be recreating something along the lines as this. So you want to start out by grabbing a work plane. So we'll come up here, set a work plane. I'm going to grab the outside face of this glazing wall here. Once I have that grabbed, then I've set this work plane there for the wall that I'm going to be creating for this sweep here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come into sweep, and then I'm going to be creating a sketch path. So this is going to be selecting the path that this sweep is going to take. So sketch path here, and then I usually go to the pick line category if I already have something modeled that I can base off. So I know that my sweep is going to be coming off the inside face of the mullions that are around this current wall grid. So I'm going to go around now. I'm going to grab 4 of those planes like so. This guy will play ball with me. And then just going to grab my 4th one here. And then once you're done that, you can come up here to this join dialog here. You're going to join up these 4 guys here. Now, yours will probably be a little bit different now, whatever you're modeling at the time, whatever direction your sweep is taking. Just make sure it's a closed line, or it doesn't have to be a closed loop. Like if this went up, over, and down, that's okay. It doesn't have to be a closed loop. So once you're done that, we can come up here, press OK, and then you'll be prompted with this dialog here. So you want to edit profile, which is here on the first line that you've created. So you come in here to edit profile, and I know that my sweep is going to be starting at this point. It's going to be coming out. Now I do like to model in place in 3D. It just makes, I don't know, it makes sense for me. But you can do it in elevation and plan or whatever way you see fit. So I'm going to be coming out 1400. I'm going to be stepping up from this inside. Oh, this guy isn't grabbing that properly, so you want to be making sure it's coming off the plane there. So I'm going to be coming out 1400, and I'm going to be stepping up 300, and then I'm going to be coming out just to join that up there. And now once you've created that profile, that'll give the profile for the entire sweep that'll go around. Now what I like to do at this time is grab a different material that I'm using on the sweep. For this I'm just going to use aluminium for the time being, for example, but you can change that up in there if you want to. And then I'm just going to press OK, and boom, there it is. Now if I wanted to come in and I wasn't happy with that, I can come into, I know I'm using an aluminium anodized unit, dark bronze, we'll say, to match this guy up here, which is now the same material as the rest of those parts of the facade rather, that it's tying in with. So once you're done that, then you can go ahead and you can press finish modeling, which might take a moment here because this is quite a big model. But once this is loaded through, then you'll have a sweep created in your model. So yeah, I hope this tutorial was useful. If you'd like and subscribe to the channel, I'm putting out videos every week. Yeah, have a good one. Thanks for stopping by. Cheers.